Hello! So as it's Friday and virtually the weekend, I thought it was time to do a bit of a fun tune. We may all have our summer holidays on hold for the moment, but this one is a real summer holiday party tune. Hopefully you'll recognise it. It's called Macarena. So we're going to start off using just the middle C on the thumb of the right hand, and I'm just going to show you the rhythm that keeps coming back through this song. So it's using the middle C and it goes slow, quickly, slow, quickly, quickly, quickly. So it's slow, quickly, slow, quickly, 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 and then there's something else in the end each time. So the first time, on the end of that, you get another C up to E. Okay, so we're going to go slow, quickly, slow, quickly, 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 C, E. Okay, and then after that, we're going to go 2 Gs, and then back to the C, do the same rhythm again. Slow, quickly, slow, quickly, 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 and the second time on the end it goes A, G. So if I play that so far. Okay, the third bit is exactly the same as the beginning again. Okay. And then to finish with, it goes G in the little finger, and then F, G, then E, C. Okay, so that's G, F, G, E, C. Okay, so I'll just do that through slowly again, but just talking through the rhythm as you go. So it's going to be starting with the C's, and the first time it goes up C, E, and the second time it goes down A, G. Okay, so it's slow, quickly, slow, quickly, 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 C, E, and then 2 Gs. Back to the C rhythm again. Slow, quickly, slow, quickly, 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 A, G. Back to the C's again. Slow, quickly, slow, quickly, 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 C, E. And then up to your G to finish with. G, F, G, E, C. Okay, and that's it. So if I play it all the way through, just so you can see how it all fits together. And that's it. So if you like that one, you can hit the like button, and you can also scroll down and leave me a comment to request any songs you'd like to learn, or just to say hello. If you haven't already subscribed, there should be a link on the screen now which you can click, and then you won't miss any of the videos. I hope you enjoyed that. Have fun.